A big portion of our work at CAPE10 is about mental health, and a part of mental health is also this overwhelming fear of what's happening to our planet, not feeling that you have a voice or agency in it. And we were sitting together with OMV and we were like, wouldn't it be cool to create an event where the kids can actually do something hands-on, get knowledge, get empowered, feel like they have agency, in just a day immersed in science, in curiosity and creativity, and hopefully with agency they're leaving, and also with an award.
They have their whole life ahead, and it's just really important to support all the kids and also to give them the right values and to support them in doing good stuff, and that's why it was really easy to support this project.
Innovation and collaboration are so important for OMV because we cannot solve the key challenges of the world, especially the climate change challenge, alone.